Hello everybody, and welcome to one of the first of a series of Drupal tutorials brought to you by DrupalFreelanceCoders.com. To speak briefly about ourselves, we are specialists in Drupal development, and we help in creating, customizing and hosting Drupal websites, which of course is one of the most popular open source systems today. The topic of today's video will be how to install Drupal locally with Xampp. As you might be already knowing, but just to brief you in short, well, Xampp is a collection of web servers which includes Apache, MySQL, PHP, and basically it helps create and manage our website as well as test them locally before uploading on a live web server, which of course, as you very well know, isn't easy or as fast as we'd like it, or let's say efficient enough. Now for the installation, we first need to go to the Drupal website, which is drupal.org. Here we need to download the latest version from the Download and Extend tab. So the latest version is Drupal 7.8. Once we click there, it will show us the zipped version of Drupal. So to save time, I've already downloaded and extracted the folder over here locally on my PC. Now we'll be creating this website in this destination folder, which is c:/exam/httalks. So this is where we'll be creating all our websites. So I have placed the folder Drupal 7.8 over here, the installation folder that is, and for my convenience and demonstration purpose, I'll rename this to Drupal, and you too can do the same and choose a name of your choice. Once this is done, we will have to create a database for the website, and we will do so by going to the phpMyAdmin panel. So this is available over here. We need to type in localhost/phpMyAdmin in the URL box. This will take us to the home page of phpMyAdmin, and this is where we will need to create a new database. The database name that I will use over here is Drupal, and you can also choose a name of your choice. Once we click on create, it will display the result as database Drupal has been created. So next we will create a user by going back to the home page and clicking on privileges, which will show us the option add a new user. So once we do that, we have to furnish the user details. Here the username also I will choose as Drupal, and you too can choose a name of your choice. The host will be localhost, and the password again I'll choose as Drupal, and you too can use a password of your choice, or you can choose the same and change it later for security purposes. So next is database for user, but we have already created this, which is Drupal. Then next is a global privileges, and we have to do a check all. Once this is done, we click on go, and it will display the result as you have added a new user. So we have a database and a user for our website, and then we will proceed with the installation by going to the installation file. The installation file is available in exam/httalks Drupal, and inside that there is one install.php file. This is the file which will start the installation. So for that we will need to open another web page and type in the path to the installation file, which is localhost. It is already displaying it over here, so I'll quickly choose it. The installation path that is localhost/drupal/install.php. So it will take us to the installation page, and it will give us two options. One is standard installation and the other is minimal. For this video over here, we'll choose standard and click on save and continue. Then it will ask for the language English, and we click on save and continue again once we choose that. Next it will ask for the database details, which we've already created in PageView and we need to supply the same, which is Drupal. Username is again Drupal and the password is Drupal again. Then we click on save and continue again. This will take us to the installation process, which will take a couple of more seconds, and we reach the end of the installation, and this will take us next to the next page, where we have to supply the site information. The site name is given as localhost here by default, but I'll choose a different name, which will be Drupal Tutorials, and you too can choose a name of your choice. The site email address will be the email address required for registration and other website related emails, where I'll mention my company ID, which is flugelsoft@partners.com. Next we will need to provide a site maintenance account, which will be required to administer the site. I will specify this as admin. Then they'll ask for the password next, which you have to provide password of your choice. It tells me that my password is weak, so you'll need to provide a more stronger password for the security of your website. Then it will ask for the default country, and you'll have to choose your country. After that we will have to specify the time zone. So once this is done, we'll have to click on save and continue. Yes, and this takes us to the end of the installation, and it says congratulations, you installed Drupal, visit your new website. So this will take us to the home page of Drupal. So with this we come to the end of this tutorial. Thank you everyone for watching this, and if you feel it helps you out, please subscribe to us and make sure you check our website for updates, which is www.drupalfreelancecoders.com. Thank you.